back to my channel. So today's video, as you can tell by the title and this makeup look, I'm going to be doing sort of like a goth e-girl inspired makeup tutorial. I'm not really sure what they're calling. I feel like it's on the more intense side of like an e-girl, but then on the softer side of goth makeup. But we all know goth girls and alternative girls walked so that e-girls could run. I did also kind of try to live the part because I changed my top. I tried to do my hair sort of like goth inspired, but I'm not really sure like a goth hairstyle is. I did look up hair tutorials, like goth hair tutorials on YouTube, and I saw something that sort of matched this hairstyle, so thought why not. It's just a cute simple ponytail. I also do just want to disclaim I do have another intro, so I may add pieces of that intro if I forget anything in this one. So if you see me without makeup in the intro and then I have on a full face, that's just because I'm using two different intros. Also, sorry I sound so weird. I am sick, my nose is stuffy, and I have to talk out of my mouth, and I have to like stop every couple of seconds so I can actually breathe because I have to breathe through my mouth. Just want to say sorry for the sun in this video. I thought that it was going to be cute and like sort of aesthetically pleasing, but it actually turned out to be like a real pain in the ass. I wear glasses, as you can see, but when I do my makeup I obviously take them off, so the combination of not being able to see because my eyesight sucks and also having the sunlight in my way, it was kind of hard to like tell what the camera was actually picking up, so I do apologize for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Follow my Instagrams, which are always linked down below. I do have a new Instagram account. It's for like the more colorful alternative side of me because my Instagram that I do always link is more minimal and stuff. So hey guys, for some reason the rest of the intro cut out, so I just wanted to properly say, let's get started. Don't forget to follow me over Instagram, which is always linked down below. If you guys enjoyed this look, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagrams, which are linked down below. And if you want to check out my last video, that will also be linked down below. And yes, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about any products I use, feel free to ask the questions below and I will answer them to the best of my abilities. And until next time, adios.